Hello, y'all. Well, I don't know how to do it. My son be trying to play me, so I don't know how to do it. Where I really don't know how to do it, but I don't need him to be calling me out on the whoa. Anyway, so I wanted to do this really simple look. I know it looked like it was a lot to do, right? I wanted to do this really simple look. Just like everybody is always talking about, I don't be doing no natural looks. I'm always doing pop of color, or I mean not pop of color, all these colors and stuff. And I think on one of my videos somebody said I was like a drag queen, but I'm like, okay, sis. So I just want to do this nice little pretty look. I think I did a glitter look before with the red glitter a while back, maybe not that long ago, but I just wanted to do it because it's on my mind. I was like, okay, I want to do it. And plus I'm going to my son's game and their colors are white, black, and red. So I was like, I gotta come up in the game looking all spicy and everything, a little spicy. But the glitter I have on is like some eBay. I can't even talk. Some eBay glitter that I purchased maybe a couple of months, maybe a year or two ago. And this red lipstick I have on, which is so gorgeous because I don't know why I'm so in love with it, but I'm so in love with it. It's my Best Friend Cosmetics lip line. This one is called Esther. She's a matte vegan lip. Ain't she gorgeous? Okay, so this is Esther on my lips. When it's wet, it look a little darker. But once it dries, this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. So this is the look that I did, and the palette that I'm actually working out of is a palette that I found on the clearance at the Ulta. This one is called the Melissa Michelle palette, and it's from Ulta Beauty. This is her right here on the back. So I mainly use this one today, and these are the colors. I think I paid like $4 or $5 for this palette. It was on the clearance. I never even heard of this person before, but I was only looking for something else, and I came across this, and I was like, "Oh, I'm gonna get it." I mean, $4 or $5, you can't beat that. So, this is the palette right here that I mostly use today, and you guys stay tuned for the video, okay? All right. I'm trying to kick them out. Oh, this wig is a Friday night hair wig. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and find a link, but it's their straight wig. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and find a link, and I'll put it in the description bar below. Okay. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.